Windows 8 and Windows Server 8, I'm going to show you an overview of the new Task Manager. You can get to the Task Manager just like always, Control-Alt-Delete, Task Manager, or just right-click on the toolbar at the bottom, go to Task Manager. So this is the new look of the Task Manager. You've got the Processes tab, and inside the Processes tab you can now see what sub-processes are running under each process. It also shows the percentage of CPU and memory being used by each of the different processes. If we go on to performance, we see CPU memory, and you can see the graph at the bottom looks a lot more like the old performance monitor in previous versions. It shows our utilization, how many processes are running, and other information about the processor. Click on memory, and memory will show you a little more information, such as what's in use, what's available, committed, paged, etc., just like usual. And in other videos I go into more detail about what those do. And then you also have the Ethernet option, which shows how much activity is going on with the network card. And in this case we don't have any network connectivity going on. Click on the Users tab at the top, and you'll see how many people are logged into this computer. At this point it's just the administrator, so just my account. And you can see how much the administrator is using in various different resources. Click on Details. This shows what executables are running on the system, and from here you can choose the various different ones, and you can see the CPU usage, the memory usage. You can right click, you can end task, you can set the affinity, and you can also go into the properties of the file. From here you can also go into the services as well, and the services will show you various different services that will link the details back to the one you were looking at. So if I was just clicking on details and I wanted to see which service it was that was running, I right click, go to services, and it shows me that this is the service that's linked back to it. Services, you can right click and you can restart, start, stop, any one of those options, or open the services program right from the Task Manager. A lot of people have a hard time finding the run command, since the start button seems to be missing. So just go to the file at the top and you can choose run new task, and here you can choose a run, such as opening up a command prompt or whatever it is that you want to do right from there. So that's an overview of the new Task Manager in Windows 8 and Windows Server 8.